Well, 16 solid, respected studies demonstrate that natural immunity is as effective or more effective. The largest population study ever done out of Israel showed that it's 27 times more effective than vaccinated immunity in preventing symptomatic COVID. Now, when that came out of the Israeli Health Ministry, it was around the time that data came out on boosters reducing hospitalization among seniors over 65 tenfold. So here you have two pieces of data coming out of Israel, both large studies, and Dr. Fauci immediately calls the data on boosters, quote unquote, dramatic data, and rushed to create policy around it. That was a tenfold reduction in hospitalization among seniors. The 27-fold level of protection with natural immunity from the same Israeli population data was ignored. And I believe it's for two reasons. One, politically, politicians entrenched in a position that every human being with 2 feet needs to get vaccinated, period, and would ignore the evolving science on this. And two is they've told me privately, people have told me privately, don't talk about natural immunity. People will go out there and just get the infection and not get vaccinated. And I say we can be both honest with the science and still encourage vaccination at the same time. So the data is solid on natural immunity. All the studies show that it's highly effective, except for two, both put out by the CDC, jerry-rigged. The first used what we call statistical fishing, where even though they have data on all 50 states over 19 months, they cherry-picked a 2-month interval in the state of Kentucky and said, in this little sliver, natural immunity was worse. And by the way, the rate of infection of both groups, natural and vaccinated, in that study were less than 0.01%, so it's extremely rare. And the other was a study they just came out, and I tweeted a long critique of it.
Thanks for watching the Heritage Foundation's YouTube channel. With more than 500,000 members, we are the nation's largest conservative research and education institution. We believe the principles and ideas of the American founding are worth conserving and renewing. Please help us further our mission by subscribing to this channel and sharing our videos with your family and friends.